Hello everyone, I am Ramanathan, Assistant Professor, Department of Management Studies, SNS College of Technology. So in this video, we are going to see about role of distribution in business. What is distribution and why this distribution is more important, and why distribution plays a vital role in business. We are going to see in this particular video. So distribution is a very crucial component of a business strategy that determines how product reach the customer or consumer. It involves various channels and methods significantly impact market penetration, customer satisfaction, and overall business profitability. So if you take distribution as if you take a kind of distribution, there may be a kind of distribution from supplier to manufacturer, manufacturer to wholesaler, wholesaler to retailer, or a kind of agents, and it will reach a customer. Once customer is purchased, they will give it to their consumers, or person who is using that particular product will receive it. So this is how the particular any products distributed from supplier to end customer or consumer. So there is different types of distribution channel, like direct distribution, indirect distribution, where wholesalers involved, where retailers involved, e-commerce also, online distribution also happening nowadays. Direct distribution is directly it's going to reach your customers from manufacturing unit. It's going to reach a customer or consumer. Indirect means there may intermediate agents may be involved into it. Wholesaler, retailer, even e-commerce, online distribution also may happen. These are the various distribution channels involved. So distribution is movement of goods, or we can call it as a movement of a product. We can call it as a distribution. So distribution strategic development, identifying the target market, analyzing the customer preference, and choosing appropriate channels. Because if you see, identifying the target market is placing, it's one of the important strategy. And second is analyzing the customer preferences and choosing the appropriate challenges. These are the distribution strategy development. Because if you take distribution, how the distribution channel looks like, accordingly you will be developing and you will be strategizing those planning. You will plan accordingly. So role of logistics and distribution, because if you take distribution is a part of logistics. What we have seen previous video that logistics it's a part of supply chain. Here distribution is part of logistics. So importance of supply chain management is how effectively, efficiently we are doing smooth operation and enhancing the customer satisfaction, and we are delivering that particular product very safely, with high with speedy time delivery and cost uh, cost effective one, or cost minimalization. So that's all about importance of supply chain management. Here if you take transportation and warehousing, there also cost minimization and providing service to that particular customer, where optimizing cost, improving service level, and flow of product to the customer. That's all speaks about transportation and warehousing. Inventory management technique also, how we are going to make use of, how we are going to have a right stock level, reducing cost, and how much we are going to store in warehouse and to meet out, in order to meet out the demand, and so on. These are the role of logistics in distribution. Impact of distribution on customer satisfaction, accessibility and convenience, timeline of delivery, and customer relationship management. Accessibility and convenience, it ensures that the products are easily customer makes to purchase or process straight over a user friendly one. Timeline is timeline of the delivery, whether the particular product reaches the customer or consumer at right time. Customer relationship management fosters the connection between customer through effective communication and support for encouraging repeated business. So if you take a kind of distribution is very very important in nowadays in business. If this how much distribution is strong, that particular business will be very strong. For example, you can take a Britannia like industries, where you can able to see Britannia or Parle-G like companies. You can able to see their biscuit packets in very petty shops and so on, where you can their distribution of product is uh, very good. So their business also good sales going good, profitability also going good. Similarly, all the products which have high distribution rate will succeed in market. If you take all the products, if distribution is good, the product will be more successful one or achievable one. So distribution plays a vital role for using that particular product for their customer. So how much, even if the product is not at all good, if distribution is so strong, that particular product will successful in that particular market. Example, Nestle also is one of the company proving it, like Maggie or milk powder. Likewise, they are giving lot of Nestle is one of FMCG goods where they are providing a lot of distribution, where that particular power of distribution gives that particular product more successful. So distribution and competitive advantage, differentiating through distributions, like leveraging unique distribution channels, enhancing customer experience, and building brand loyalty. It's more important. So next one is analyzing real world examples of a company that's have efficiently utilizing distribution in market and improving competitive and adapting market technology, implementing flexible distribution method, quickly respond to the shift of customer demand and industry needs. These are the few distribution and competitive advantage over distribution. What are the technologies are used in distribution is role of automation and AI, usage of data analytical data in distribution decisions, trends in digital distribution, because nowadays automations are improving, AI regarding everything improving, so that we can use automations and AI to streamline the process, to reduce the human errors, to enhance the effectiveness and efficiency in distribution operations. Use of analytical data will help the customer or inventory management or demand forecasting, as well as for the strategical planning. We can use that data analyticals in distribution decision making. Trend in digital distribution, the shift towards a digital distribution channel is reshaping the logistics and customer interaction driven customer expectation. Because if you take digital, nowadays most of the people is using e-commerce sites and online for buying. So this kind of trend in digital distribution always kind of few people involved in the distribution channel, where high effectiveness and efficiency can be attained in a kind of distribution, where compared to physical mode of or direct distribution channel. So few global distribution challenges. What are the challenges we are facing in the distribution is culture and regulatory differences, understanding and neglecting various cultural norms and regulating requirements to ensure compliance. Because if you take distribution, there is more complexity in things, and communication gaps, diversified market, languages, culture, climate. These are the few external factors which influence challenges in distribution and logistics in international markets, managing complexity in shipping, warehousing, storing goods, transportation of geographical distance, different infrastructure capacity across countries. If you take not only in within India, if you take international markets, where transportation, warehousing, shipping, transportation, and safeguarding warehousing, everything, it's a kind of how managing and what are the complexities in that particular countries and so on. It's a kind of tedious process to know about it. So next one is risk management. Whenever we are distributing certain goods, there may be certain damages, unexpected happenings may happen, and we have to insure everything. A third party has to mean safeguard our business in terms of everything. So future trends in distribution. What are the futuristic trends has to be involved in the distribution is sustainability in distribution practices. Companies are increasing, adapting friendly methods to reduce carbon foods and environmental responsibilities through supply chain. So we have to reduce pollution, and based on that, we can able to improve the environment, as well as innovation in last mile delivery. Advanced technology such as drones, automations, and IoT technologies can be adapted to patient satisfaction. And next is a subscription model. So service are gained profitability. They offer convenience and predictability, allowing consumer to receive product in regularly, and company to secure steady revenue streams. Certain e-commerce websites and everything kind of distribution channels also following a rise of subscription model. That's one of the good thing are good to have in future. So we in this video we have seen what is the role of distribution and business. What is distribution and what is the importance of distribution in business, and we have seen what is the need of distribution and types of distribution, and we have spoken about what are the challenges they are facing, what are the futuristic projects or future how it has to be. Everything we have discussed in this particular section. So at last, in today competitive market landscape is encouraging audience interaction to explore further insight to clarify uncertainty related topics. Because if you take distribution, it's not like all other thing. Whatever may happen till last minute, we can't able to tell anything. So unexpected happenings or can be expected. So how to overcome this is a kind of proper systematic planning. Always when we have a kind of routine works or routine planning, whatever problems if we face, we can overcome those problems. So accordingly, systematic planning is more important in distribution to uplift or to enhance the distribution uh, role of distribution. Thank you.